How to enable virtualization on Windows. What is up everyone? In today's tutorial, I'll show you guys how you can easily enable the virtualization on Windows. The first thing you're going to have to do is go ahead and open up your control panel. Go to the search bar and search for control panel. Now make sure that the view by is set to large or small icons. And then from here, you're going to have to find programs and features. Once you're inside here, all you have to do is click on this option, turn Windows feature on or off, and another window will pop up on your screen. Here, you just have to scroll down and find the option Virtual Machine Platform. Just turn this one on. And if you have the Hyper-V option, you can turn that one on as well. Now, once you've done that, click on OK. And once you've done that, you should be able to restart your PC. It will automatically check for all the required fields. And if you're good to go, then you can just restart your PC and your virtualization will be turned on your PC. That's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.